Hey there, business owners, developers, and construction industry pros in Florida. If you're tuning in to what's happening with the economy, politics, and your bottom line, one question is on everyone's mind. What would a second Trump term mean for Florida's construction boom? Florida's real estate and construction sectors are already red hot, driven by population growth, favorable tax policies, and a growing trend of businesses relocating to the Sunshine State. A second term for Trump will bring specific economic shifts that impact construction, real estate investment, and yes, the regulatory landscape for businesses and construction law. Let's dive into how. First up, let's talk about economic incentives. Trump has historically supported lower corporate taxes, deregulation, and pro-growth policies, which would encourage even more businesses to establish roots here in Florida. This influx could fuel greater demand for commercial construction, new office spaces, and residential projects to support the workforce migration. Florida's construction law firms may see a rise in demand for legal guidance on everything from contract drafting to compliance issues as more businesses break ground. Now for the regulatory impact. Under a second Trump administration, we'll see an emphasis on rolling back federal regulations that affect construction, such as those related to environmental restrictions and labor policies. While deregulation may mean fewer hurdles for project development, it also introduces risk for construction firms that could face increased scrutiny from state-level regulatory bodies. Business owners should expect more due diligence around local codes and potential environmental compliance, even as federal oversight might loosen. Let's not forget about the potential for labor law impacts. With Florida already experiencing a labor shortage, Trump's approach to immigration policy and guest worker visas could play a role. Stricter immigration policies might restrict the available labor pool, especially for construction, where migrant labor plays a significant role. A potential solution? Business law experts in Florida are already gearing up to help construction firms navigate the complexities of employment law, ensuring businesses remain compliant while staying competitive in this tight labor market. A big factor that'll keep law firms busy? Infrastructure spending. Trump has previously advocated for significant infrastructure spending, which could benefit Florida's construction firms, particularly those in public projects like roads, bridges, and public buildings. New federal funding could mean increased state investment in infrastructure, creating opportunities for developers and contractors. However, it also means understanding the nuances of government contracts, procurement processes, and the unique set of compliance rules that come with public construction. So what should business owners, contractors, and developers keep in mind? As the Florida construction market continues to evolve, partnering with a law firm that's up to speed on construction law and business law becomes critical. Legal guidance around construction litigation, negotiation, and compliance with state and federal regulations and ever-evolving labor disputes can help businesses avoid legal pitfalls and operate more smoothly. A Trump administration may open doors, but having a solid legal strategy ensures that businesses can navigate this dynamic landscape confidently.